Hi, my name's Ed, and in this video I'm going to be talking about audio signs. By default, BrightSign generates speech corresponding to the signs that you do and then plays that out. But what if you want it to play something else instead? Maybe you want it to play a specific sound, or you've got someone to record their voice and you want to have that output instead. To do that, rather than creating a sign that generates speech, when you go to add a sign, select audio file instead. If the app asks you for permission to use the microphone at this step, do make sure you accept the request or it might not work correctly. First, type in the label corresponding to the sign. Then, press and hold on the microphone button and make your sound. When you're done, just let go. You can now listen to the recording, and if you want to, try again. When you're done, just press the button to save your new sign. Just like when you add a sign that generates speech, you can now show BrightSign one or more examples of how you perform that sign. When you're done, just go back to the main screen. Now when you use that sign, the sound will play. Have fun!